Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making sweet creamy cinnamon roll. This recipe is for you. Today I'm showing you how I made those rich fluffy cinnamon roll filled with sweet cinnamon and finish with a smooth creamy topper, guys. This is an homemade recipe anyone can try at home. Watch to the end. You don't want to miss how soft it turns out. If today is your first time, please like, subscribe, and watch to the end. To my new subscribers, you are welcome. My old subscribers, thank you so much. You are welcome. Please don't forget to watch to the end. Enjoy.